Good morning, students. Already we have started with the old green door. So in the last few classes we were doing the revision for periodic test 2. So now your subject, the English subject is over. So we'll continue with the chapter. So unit number 4 we have finished the explanation. Now we are moving to the notes, keywords. Okay. So this is your grammar in the page number 40 you have. So choose the correct options to complete the sentences. Tom is dash years old. So how many years old? He is 10 years old. The students like to dash, invent things, explore new places, imagine and daydream. So what is that? So the students like to explore new places. Third question, the students first heard a dash coming from the behind the door. So what they have heard, students? It was a roaring sound. Fourth question, dash was the slowest to flee the old green door. It was Tom was the slowest to flee the old green door. So Mr. Lee asked the students to dash. What did the Mr. Lee ask? Mr. Lee asked the students help him in the store. So these are the 5 questions you need to write in your course book itself. So in the dashes also you need to write the answers. And coming to the B main, rearrange these sentences to show the order in which the action in the story took place. Then write the paragraph. So students, in this paragraph, the sentences are mixed. So you need to write, you need to find out from your course book, the lesson, in the lesson, that which sentence come first after which sentence. So the sentences are mixed, so you have to write in the order. So this answer will be written in your classwork because there is no space to write here. And students, you have the question in your textbook itself, so no need to write the question. We'll write only the answer in your classwork. Okay, so now coming to your classwork. So unit number 4, the old green door. So first main will be your keywords. First word, adventure. 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 Ryan. 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 Chilling. 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 Staff room. STAFFROOM. Staff room. Bright. 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 Sixth word, pound. 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 Seventh one, terrible. 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 Eighth one, horrible. 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 Ninth one, playtime. PLAYTIME. Time. Play time. Scratchy. 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 Next mean, rearrange the sentences to show the order in which the action in the story took place, then rewrite the paragraph. So I told you that no need to write the question once. So directly we can write the answer because you have the question in your course book. So we have to arrange it properly. So here I have arranged it. So once we'll read it out. The students heard a scratching sound that moved behind the old green door. They heard the terrible teeth that gnashed and gnawed and the chewing upon the door. This was followed by a chilling scream and a growling roar. The students heard something pounding against the door. The frightened students fled. Okay, so we have arranged it. So this is your answers which you need to write in your classwork. Next, coming to the answer these questions. So first question will come on to the first question. Where was the old green door and what was the way to it? So where was the old green door and what was the way to it? The old green door was at the children's school. Where was it? It was at the children's school. It was down past Miss Joyner's room at the end of the corridor. Okay. Next, coming to the second question, what sounds did the students hear coming from the behind the door? So what was the sounds they have heard? The students first heard a scratchy sound followed by a gnawing and gnashing sound of the terrible teeth. Then they heard a chilling scream and a growling roar, after which something started to pound against the green door. So this was the sound which they have heard from the behind from the old green door. Last third question, why were the students frightened of Mr. Lee? The students were frightened of Mr. Lee because he was taking them back to the terrible old green door. So who was taking to the old green door? So Mr. Lee was taking them to the old green door. His eyes grew red as if they bled, and his hand bent in a claw. The children fled on seeing this. Seeing this, the children ran off from the school itself. Students, this will be your English notes. So first main is your keywords, 10 keywords, and 3 question and answers will be having. So you need to complete in your English classwork, and also you will be not having the worksheet because you need to complete your classwork. Okay. So next class we will be doing the other part which is left in your course book, that is grammar. So thank you students.